Tecnocoat joins our Seal the Envelope portfolio, delivering unmatched performance with a versatile range of hand-applied and spray-applied waterproofing and traffic coating systems. Tecnocoat H2049. Introducing Tecnocoat H2049, a fast-setting, spray-applied polyurea membrane built for extreme environments. With exceptional durability and performance, it's ready to handle your toughest challenges. Tecnocoat H2049 is tack-free in just 5 seconds and foot trafficable within minutes at a minimum of 80 mils thick. It's low in VOCs, easy to repair, and operates seamlessly on a wide variety of substrates and project conditions. From walkable roofs and parking garages to foundations and projects requiring rapid-setting durable waterproofing solutions, Tecnocoat is the ideal solution. Our system includes a variety of primers such as EP1010 and top coats such as Tecnotop 1C, making it versatile to provide solutions for both protected and exposed systems. The Tecnocoat system has been tested for compatibility and adhesion with our Polyglass waterproofing, roofing, and air barrier products. Maximize protection with our Seal the Envelope transition warranty, a one-stop solution for your project needs. Polyglass protects your building from whatever may come. For more information, visit polyglass.us.